Salutations, Construction Nation. Let's roll through a CVA. Or as the layperson calls it, a Customer Value Agreement. What are they, one might ask? A CVA, I reply. It's an easy ownership plan between you and your cat dealer that you put to work to change your work life. It's as hassle-free as 1, 2, 3. Get parts when promised, or Caterpillar pays. And these are genuine cat parts, so you're protected way better than the parts store.
So no more blown injectors.
Get it out of here! Choose from self-service or dealer service. It's hassle-free maintenance either way. Because that's a CVA. What's the real deal? Security from cat dealer support. No one's better at fighting downtime.
Sweep the leg!
So who better to have your back? Nice shot, Johnny. And if something breaks, don't sweat your covered options. Your cat dealer's there to help cover the costs. With the CVA, you're secure today and the next day, every day. Don't mind me and my peace of mind. I'm just relaxing knowing my equipment's up and running. I got health alerts on my phone screen, so I know my machines are staying healthy. Plus, when something's wrong, my dealer calls me. Hang on, let me take this. It's peace of mind. That's a CVA. That's what I get paid to say. What do you get paid to do? Work. Keep working. Make it easy. Talk to your cat dealer about a CVA today.